Hi friends, this is Allie from Allie Scraps, and I'm here to show you how I'm putting together my Revival Camp binder and doing a first entry. So I'm using a Simple Stories 6x8 binder, and it comes with all the stuff that you see here. And I'm just going to kind of use that stuff to really build out a binder full of Revival Camp stuff. So I'm trimming out some of the devotionals that came in the printables because I have a couple ideas for what I want to use. But the cardstock felt nice and heavy, so I wanted to use that. So I pasted that onto one of the papers that are already in there, and I just want to kind of decorate around that just to kind of meditate on what the devotional is saying. So this was Explore by Shauna, and I just really loved it, and I just really wanted to decorate the page while I was thinking about what she was saying while I was reading it. And to do that, I used one of my coordinating art starts. It's in my shop. I'll link it below. And I just love that when you print it on clear sticker paper, it just kind of melts into the page, and it looks like you're really painty and messy, and you weren't really at all. So I love doing that. And then right here, I'm just using some of the washi tape from the kit to anchor the page a little bit and start to kind of cover up that little @ sign because it didn't really fit with what I wanted. But a little bit of it poking out was okay, but not a lot. And here's where I got smart and actually took it out of the binder and started working on a flat surface. And then I just wanted to layer some washi tape, and I used a couple later on elements in the kit just to kind of decorate this page a little bit. So this is going to be one of the first pages in the binder, and I just wanted to be like an opening statement of like, okay, I'm here, I'm going to get messy, I'm going to get in the word, and just kind of like be there, if that makes sense. So just wanted to cut out one of the little badges, paste that on there, so another reinforcement of what devotional it is. And again, just layering washi tape, just to have some fun. So I have a ton of washi tape. I need to use some of it up. So let me know if you have any questions about this page. Let me know if you recorded a video of you doing one of your first pages for Revival Camp. Be sure to link it in the comments below. I can't wait to see how you dig into Revival Camp as well. Be sure to like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to this channel for more videos on Revival Camp, Bible journaling, and so much more. I can't wait to show you what else I have up my sleeve.